organic 7-figure mindset. So we want to know, how do we actually look at organic? Here's how it works, guys. Real simple. First thing you need to understand is organic is a get rich fast, right? Nope. It's actually slow. But it's better than a get rich never, man. Some things never work. We rather it work over time. Now, you can try to go make a quick 20, 30 grand doing other methods, or you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month eventually over time with organic. And it's not as long as you think. Slow isn't as slow as you think. That's the biggest conception. Like, people go, oh my God, it'll take years. No, it won't. It'll take a few months at best. Maybe honestly, within 6 months, you start maximizing real returns, compounded returns on organic. Within 6 months, that's not a long time, guys. And imagine, organic is the way where once you get it dialed in, you're always having results. Whereas another method, it might fall behind. Like, it might actually fall off. It might be just a fad. But organic, it works. Now, when we say organic, what do we mean, by the way? Talking about content, Facebook, Instagram, your own email list, everything that's not paid advertising, anything where you don't have to buy new leads to get to know you is organic. So referrals is organic, email marketing is organic, because that's your emails, right? Your Facebook followers are organic, your content marketing is organic. Those are all organic. So learning how to get clientele consistently from an organic system is key. To get rich slow, not to get rich fast, but it's better than to get rich never. And so because of that, you gotta adjust your expectations. Some people come in, they go, I wanna get like 1,000 leads coming in. I wanna start booking 20 calls a day my first month. I'm like, listen, you're gonna get there, but that's not a matter of 30 days. Like, you're not gonna do them in 30 days. Now, here's the cool thing. Most organic strategies do take a lot longer than ours. Here's why. They focus on like mediocre content with mediocre conversations. Everything's kind of like very much like just pumping out a volume. We focus on quality, not quantity. And so it's kind of funny. I teach a little opposite to normal organic. Normal organic is post every single day. That's not really the goal. The strategy is you want to post until you get enough leads and repost when you don't have leads again. And so you kind of look at like a momentum like this, right? I look at organic like this. This is like the organic momentum. I'll break this down, organic momentum. I look at momentum, not consistency of posting. And so like if I post something here, right, and it goes viral post here, that might last like 3 days. That might last like 3 days, 3 to 4 days, right? And then I don't post during those times. What I'm doing here is I'm booking calls. Then I'll book another viral post here. So I look at it like momentum. I'm like, hey, if something goes viral here and it lasts like 2-3 days of leads, I'm just gonna focus on booking calls, and then I wanna post again. What you guys do is, this is pretty crazy. What I've noticed most people do is they'll do this. They will, look at this. They'll post a viral post, right? And it'll go viral over here. And then they'll post another post again, and then they'll post another post again, and then they'll post another post every single day, right? Now, nothing's wrong with this. If you're getting not enough leads, it's okay. But here's the thing. If this goes viral and there's hundreds of plus engagement on it, and you don't get enough calls, you don't focus on booking calls from this alone, then this starts to overlap, and then this starts to overlap, and eventually you're 4 posts in, but you've only booked like 3 or 4 or 5 calls off it.